Hey guys, welcome to the iCenter Lite bot. So, if you guys know anything about artificial intelligence, robots doing the hard work for us to make us money, guys, to help us live a more prosperous life, and with this new technology coming out with Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, so altcoins. So an altcoin is basically just anything that's besides Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. And so if you guys are familiar with this technology, I'm guessing that you guys already have an online wallet and you guys know what an online wallet is. And you're familiar with either Coinbase, which is a very popular exchange. So it has Bitcoin, LiteCoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum available for you guys to buy. So you exchange your fiat currency for these cryptocurrencies. And there's other kinds of bots out there. So I'm familiar with Bitconnect. I know there's people that are familiar with USI-Tech and other trading platforms that have a artificial intelligence robot trading for them in the high volatility of Bitcoin's price going up and down. And so if you guys are familiar with the robots, or if you're not familiar, that's okay. I'm doing a tutorial video here today for you guys just to understand this iCenter Lite bot. So iCenter is a platform where you can send your Litecoins over to this platform called iCenter.co, but it's called Telegram Messenger. So you're actually going to send your Litecoins over to Telegram Messenger, but this is the website here called iCenter.co. This is the actual bot that we will be getting familiar with. And so go over, I did a tutorial or a review on iCenter.co on what it is, the partners, what basically they stand for, and how they can guarantee us a 1.4% profit every day on our total investment. So if you guys are in the platform here in the iCenter Lite bot in Telegram Messenger, so once you guys click the link down below in the description, it's going to send you to an application on your phone called Telegram Messenger. Go ahead and download that, and it's going to redirect you to this page. So you're going to confirm your phone number, and you will be able to get your Litecoins and send them directly to this application. So it's a very easy setup process. So if I was on my phone right now, it would look similar to this. So basically all you really got to do, guys, is just when you guys verify your account and you're in the iCenter, I'm going to scroll up to the beginning of where I just started. So this is a long-term bot. It's designed to help earn Litecoin every 6 hours by spreading receipts in the areas of mining, forex/crypto trading, advertising, sports betting, and more. Offering a secure, reliable, and easy experience. Just press deposit, send your investment, and voila, you guys are going to earn more Litecoins every 6 hours. And so right here, I start. When you start, it's going to say start. You're going to select your language. It says please select your language. I pushed English. Press whatever language you guys are from, what country you guys are from. And so first thing you really do is push deposit. So once you push deposit, this is going to pop up. This is your Litecoin address that you're going to send to the bot from your Coinbase wallet or whatever exchange you're using. So remember, guys, that this is just a one deposit for each Litecoin deposit. So one deposit, one address. For security reasons, it's going to change the next time you want to deposit more inside this iCenter Lite platform. So a very simple explanation. It's going to tell you this is your personal LTC or Litecoin address for your deposit. For security reasons, each address is only for one deposit. Once you add the first deposit, wait for confirmation on your bot in order to generate another address for another deposit. Please don't send Bitcoins or they will be lost in the network. Guys, it's very important. If you guys are familiar with crypto, do not send any Litecoins to a Bitcoin address or Bitcoins to a Litecoin, vice versa for any other coin in cryptocurrency. It will get lost and you will lose your money. So make sure you write that down as a key note. But here you go, guys. You may invest anytime as much as you want, a minimum of 0.1 LTC, which is Litecoin. After transfer funds will be added to your account during an hour. Have fun and enjoy your Litecoins, guys. So the current rate is one Litecoin is 240 US, 240 euros. So here we go, guys. So if you want to come in here and just press help, so you're going to push these buttons right here, and this is your total balance. And if you try to write a message, say, well, thank you, bot, for making me money, it really won't understand you. It's not that intelligent yet, but it will get up there. But the main purpose for this bot is to just trade your Litecoins and make you profit every 6 hours. Very simple concept, very good referral program. I just was messing around with it. Click all these buttons and kind of get familiar with the system and go over who we are. So usually I'm a network marketer. I affiliate with other programs like Bitconnect and Binance and Cryptopia, and it's a referral base, and even Coinbase making $10 for referring someone to the site. And so once you guys understand cryptocurrency, it's a referral based system inside all these new platforms. So a platform like iCenter LiteBot, if you go into my team, it's going to show you the referral bonus system right here. So the referral system's 10% for the first person, second person will be 3%. So I brought in a buddy, I get 10% off his investment. He brings in a buddy, I make 3% off his buddy, and so on. You bring in him, I get 1%, and he'll bring in another guy, I'll get 1%. And that is it right there. That's where the referral links stop. So this is your actual referral link right here. So if you want to refer anyone to this iCenter LiteBot and get a commission once they sign up, and this is my referral status right here. I have total 9 referrals, active 4, and my referrals investment, you know how much they invested, shows who's active and who's inactive. And so this is the actual link for the Litecoin. So there's 2 bots. There's a Bitcoin bot and there's a Litecoin bot. I'm promoting the LiteCoin bot. So go ahead and copy this, copy selected, and go ahead and you're going to send it to whoever you want on Facebook, on Instagram, Snapchat, you name it. Use your social media, use YouTube, promote as much as you can, guys, and enjoy the rewards that LiteCoin Bot inside iCenter, Telegram Messenger will be giving you guys. Very awesome platform. I am very happy with it. I'm going to just show you a little bit of history. I've just been in a few days, guys, and this is every 6 hours my transactions on my total investment. So when you come into this platform, you bring in however much Litecoins you want to invest, and from there you will be earning every 6 hours and so on, and for 99 days. So these are the interest payouts where I've earned, and this is a reward right here. That was the reward for a commission that I got for someone signing up. There's another reward. And so it's a very awesome program, guys. It works. The trading bot is working for me every day, 24 hours a day, 365 days. Oh, I'm sorry, 99 days. I wish for 365. But anyways, I'm kind of rambling. Sorry. But I just wanted to do a little tutorial video for you guys to let you know what's going on in the iCenter LiteBot. What's it all about? This is a great platform for you to actually make text message my buddy. My brother-in-law just got in. I waved at him, just something silly. It has awesome emojis. same as the text messaging. And so this platform is like the better text messaging. So get familiar with it, guys. It's making you money inside with the LiteCoin Bot. And so if you guys got any questions, let me know. I am here to help you guys along the way. This is my Crypto Bren YouTube channel where I will be doing tutorial videos, educational videos for cryptocurrency along the way with Bitconnect, Binance, Bittrex, Cryptopia. You guys let me know what you want to what you want to learn, or you got questions about. I am more than grateful to help you guys out. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.